Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 healthy facts about broccoli that you should know. Broccoli contains many vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Broccoli's benefits include helping reduce inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, and strengthening the immune system. Broccoli is a green vegetable that vaguely resembles a miniature tree. It belongs to the plant species known as Brassica oleracea. It's closely related to cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cauliflower, all edible plants collectively referred to as cruciferous vegetables. Cooking broccoli may alter its nutrient composition and lower the health benefits. For example, cooking broccoli reduces the amount of vitamin C to get the most nutrients from broccoli. Eat it raw or lightly cooked. Research shows that steaming broccoli has the least harmful effect on its nutrient composition. The cooking method that removes the most nutrients from broccoli is boiling. When boiled, the water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C and folate, are lost. Let's get started. Number 1. Broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. As mentioned earlier, it's an excellent source of many essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Number 2. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable. This means that it belongs to the same family as cabbage, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Number 3. Broccoli is a good source of fiber. 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains approximately 5 grams of fiber, which is about 20% of the recommended daily intake. Number 4. Broccoli is low in calories and fat. 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains only about 55 calories and less than 1 gram of fat. Number 5. Broccoli has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that broccoli extract was able to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in a laboratory study. Number 6. Broccoli may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Several studies indicate that broccoli may support heart health in a variety of ways. Elevated bad LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels are known to be significant risk factors for heart disease. Broccoli may play a role in improving these markers. One older study trusted source noticed significantly reduced triglycerides and bad LDL cholesterol levels, as well as increased good HDL cholesterol levels in people who were treated with a powdered broccoli sprout supplement. Some older research trusted source also supports the notion that specific antioxidants in broccoli may reduce your overall risk of a heart attack. A 2017 review of studies found broccoli to be among the vegetables that reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. But the results were not always consistent, and more research is needed. A study in mice that were fed broccoli sprouts observed several potentially protective effects, including increased longevity, improved glucose tolerance, and reduced blood pressure. Additionally, a higher intake of fiber-rich foods like broccoli is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Number 7. Broccoli may help prevent diabetes. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that eating broccoli regularly can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 8. Broccoli is versatile and can be prepared in many different ways. It can be steamed, roasted, grilled, or stir-fried, and it can also be added to soups and salads. Number 9. Broccoli is a good option for those with food allergies. It's typically safe for people with common food allergies such as tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, and soy. Number 10. Broccoli is easy to grow at home. It's a cool season crop that can be planted in the spring or fall and harvested in about 60 days. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.